What's going on, guys? Back with another Jordan pickup. We got the Jordan 5 Lucky Green women's release, schmimen's release. I like pink. I like all these different things. There's nothing feminine about these particular Jordan 5s. Now, this may surprise you to know, but my first pair of 5s is these. I have the alternate Bel Airs coming, the maroons, the black metallic 5s. I'm sorry, the anthracites. I got a few different ones coming. Because like I said, for those of you that have been keeping up here lately, I'm going back to some of the older retros that I didn't really visit in the old days. Old days meaning my younger years. Because I've always been an 11 through 14 kind of guy. And I've had different ones, 18s, 20, 21, 22s. I've had a variety of Jordans, tons of ones and so on. But we're going to check these out. I hear the quality's pretty decent. So stay tuned. So standard fare on the box. No, nothing crazy. Let's flip this open. We will have some random B-roll at a certain point. These are clean. I gotta say, these are pretty damn clean. The other quality's decent. Nothing special. I sure wouldn't call them premium. Love the color though. Love that they have the 23 hit embroidered on the side. The black tongue, it's basically like the original Fire Reds, but with color blocking, but with green instead of red. Love the black tongue, I gotta say. Check out the medial side. We'll have some B-roll for this Jumpman logo. Icy bottom with the green. Has the Air Jordan on the inside of the tongue. Let's see what kind of insole we're working with here. I'm always hoping for at least Dream Cell. I don't expect polyurethane, but I just don't want that cheap, crappy EVA stuff, because that's just junk. I don't want that. It feels like that's what it is. That is what it is. Damn. Why they got to cheapen out? Love the color of the insole. I'm going to peel this sticker off in a second, but it's that cheap garbage foam. I mean, you can change it, but I typically just roll with whatever they have. It's on there. I'm just going to leave it for now. But, oh, this is disappointing. Look, Dream Cell's nothing special, but when you compare it to this, it's a premium insole compared to this garbage. So, I mean, it is what it is. It's not the end of the world. I don't know what the step-in comfort is. Like I said, I've never worn a pair of 5s. This on feet in this video is going to be the first time I ever put a pair of 5s on my feet. So, gotta say, got the lace lock going here. It keeps wanting to flip out for some reason. I don't know how I feel about the lace lock. I'll probably leave it, but you never know. I may take it off. I know some people like to take it off. I know eventually this is supposed to yellow, but it's also not the clear like the sole. So I don't know how easily that's going to yellow, because it's actually a white mesh netting. It's similar silicone-like feel, so I'm sure it'll still yellow, but encapsulated air sole in the front, Viz Air in the rear. I didn't look to see if it was board lasted. It is not board lasted. It's a standard Strobel. I can actually feel the air sole, so even though there's a cheap crap EVA insole, might actually get some decent comfort to these on feet. We'll see. Polyurethane midsole has some decent rebound. It's pretty firm, as polyurethane midsoles typically are, so I don't anticipate it being a real squishy feel, but you know, they should be okay. I doubt they'll be as much of a brick as the Jordan 6s, which the reverse Oreos, the white and blacks, whatever you want to call them. For me right now, that's Jordan Retro Release of the Year. I don't care what anybody says. I know that everybody's got their favorites, remasters, all this good stuff, but I am loving those. Those are super fresh. But yeah, enough about these. We had some B-roll throughout this, I'm sure, close-ups and all that. Let's throw these on feet and see what they look like with some joggers on.